Hi guys, so I am at school and so I'm here because of CXC business, so yeah, but I'm not necessarily doing anything at the moment. I have like 4 times that I actually have to do something, but right now I'm watching YouTube and just chilling. It's Friday, the last day of July, so just thought, guys, we have to vlog today. I have a video I wanted to put up for tomorrow, but I haven't gotten the chance to video it as yet, so I'm hoping probably early tomorrow or something I can get it filmed and edited so I can get it up before the day is done, and I don't want it to be uploaded too late. So yeah, I'm just at my work desk right now, and I'm watching the Funk Bros. Just watching off my playlist that I have. I've had this playlist for a while. I have Carter's Life, Face K, Adeline, Logan, Taylor King. Not her. Duchess, all of these people to watch. It's a lot. I think I have around 80 some. Ooh, no! I think I have. Oh, I'm down. I'm now at 60 some videos. It was at 80 odd. So So I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day because I won't be leaving for now. So yeah. Let's see what's going on outside. So rainy. Like, it has been raining, and you guys see that, right? I feel like the storm that they say has turned. Its course is still on our course because it looks so rainy from yesterday, and it was so windy yesterday. Hey guys, so I'm in College Town. Right now I just eat lunch, and after 3 I'm hungry, so I eat juicy beef. So yeah, he's out at the market. She's getting some things. Yeah, I'm hungry. Cause I'm gonna eat my lunch, cause I decided my belly hurt me, so I'm now come out the road and then walk over school. Nark. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and wait on that. Yeah. Good morning guys, it is Saturday and it is Emancipation Day, so happy Emancipation all Jamaicans. Yeah, so I washed the other day and I'm just getting to folding my clothes, so I have all these things to fold and put away. I'm watching Alicia Marie, and yeah, then I'm going to chill and play some Sims or something because it's holiday. Yeah. Hi guys, so I talked to you guys this morning, so it's Emancipation Day and all. The day has been lazy, not lie. We just not in the mood for doing nothing, but yeah, we just had lunch and wash up at the plate. Then she just sweep. Yeah, she's gonna pull out her hair. Then after that, I'm gonna wash my hair. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. It's a beautiful day though, guys. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. Breeze a blow. No, trees them a blow and all these things. Daddy make in a coffee the other day. Well, me make it. So what me there? Me don't know what I did there, cause me never drink no neither. Cause me tell you what I end up in it. I couldn't find the almond. It's something I was dropping in coffee. Almond, something flavor and something. I couldn't find that, so yeah. She's pulling out her hair. Yeah, blow dry. Oh. Alright guys, so I finished washing my hair. Now I'm gonna get my products and I'm gonna set my hair. Alright guys, so sometimes I normally blow dry my hair. However, sometimes I set it with rollers. So I have had these, but I bought these two sets yesterday because I prefer the large ones and I only have a few large ones. So I'm gonna put this around me so I don't want to get wet. And then I am going to, I need a mirror. So now I am going to set my hair. It's my nice tresemme, you know? So this is what my hair looks like right now. Oh, that's alright. So be using my Cantu, and this is the leave-in conditioner as well as my sulfur 8, you know, oil for my scalp. So yeah. Alright, so let me open up my bag and get this hair done before it dry, because it's supposed to stay wet so that when I roll it, so this is the size of the roller, you know. So I'm gonna put those on the bed, the big ones that I have. The small ones are quite small and my hair, me just can't manage it, so I bought some more of the big ones. Heart seats. I don't even know if this is too big or is it too small. The front ones, I'm gonna do one too big. So I'm gonna do 2 or about 3, and then we are gonna, I'm gonna, you know, fast forward 2. Done, and right now I'm gonna edit this video and see if I can upload it today. I have no idea, but anyways guys, this is the hair. I can't do it with something to look on it too odd, but it's a try. Okay, but it's a try. See that I'm put this over here so because I don't, let me try some. I'm gonna put this over the other side because I'm gonna do center parts, so center part is not my thing. Let's just try this over here so that when it pull out, it's going to drop on this side. Isn't it? Yeah, that can go on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.
please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Yes guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.